Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my unboxing of the SSDRC Trail King Builder's Kit. If you are not familiar with SSDRC, they are a company that makes aluminum and brass upgrades for numerous scale crawlers for Traxxas, Axial, HPI, Vatera, and a few others. SSD is also known for making scale aluminum beadlock wheels. Now, the Trail King is the first chassis kit that SSD has released, and it is comprised mostly of already existing upgrade parts that they have for the SCX-10 II. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box. Here on the front panel, you'll see we have this SSD Trail King Builder's Kit. It's a 1/10 scale chassis kit and it has 4-wheel drive. Here on the bottom panel, you'll see that the Trail King has a scale detailed motor cover. It's got a scale detailed fuel cell, and this is one of the beauties of the Trail King, the scale transmission that is included in this kit. You'll see how nice it looks. Moving on to the side panel. These Pro 44 axles have been out as upgrades to the Axial SCX-10 II for a while now, and they are included in this kit. Moving on to the opposite panel. Here, once again, we see these Pro 44 axles, and these are the front Pro 44 axles, along with their aluminum C-hubs and aluminum knuckles. All of these parts were previously released for the SCX-10 II as upgrades. And the top panel doesn't have much to show, and neither does the back. Let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing of the Trail King. Alright, here we see the Trail King manual. It's almost like a book or a magazine, very thick. First up here we have bag E, which are the titanium suspension links. So the Trail King does come with titanium links. Here in bag F we have titanium steering links. In bag G we have the transmission mount or skid. In bag M, we have the drive shafts, and these are the nice universal drive shafts that SSD makes out of steel. Bag J consists of plastic parts. It looks like we've got the sliders here, the body posts. We've got the shock mounts or shock hoops, and we've got some chassis braces here. Bag K consists of aluminum parts, and here we see the panhard mount as well as the bumper mounts. In bag B, we have the front Pro 44 axle assembly. See the diff housing, the tubes, the universals, aluminum knuckles right here, bearings. Here we go. See the aluminum C-hubs. In bag Q, we have the battery tray. In bag P, we have these shocks, and these are also by SSD, and they're really, really nice. In bag D, we have the transmission, and once again, you can see that it's going to be a nicely detailed scale transmission. Bag C consists of the aluminum hex set. Bag S is the V8 engine or motor cover. You can see the parts for that. I will probably do some paint work on this to give it some weathering. Bag R is the fuel cell. Bag A are the rear axles, and these are the Pro 44 rear axles. Axle shafts, diff housing, tubes. Bag T consists of hardware. And last but not least, the chassis frame rails in bag H. Very similar to the axial frame rails in look. So I'm really excited to start building this kit. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a fun one. Right now it's got a great price on it. They recently dropped the price. It used to be $400 and upwards, but I think they recently dropped it to under $400 right now. So it's definitely a great bargain for what you get with the kit, especially since most of these parts are upgrade parts for the SCX-10 II. So all those parts are included in this Trail King kit, and it makes it really competitive, and you get really good quality parts out of it. So really looking forward to this build, and looking forward to sharing this build with you. Some of the specifications not listed on the Trail King packaging are that the Trail King comes at a wheelbase of 313 millimeters, but it is adjustable between 305 and 324 depending on what links you use. It's also compatible with SCX-10 II bumpers and bodies. It has a transmission ratio of 11.8 to 1, an axle ratio of 3.75 to 1, and a final drive ratio of 44.2 to 1. I will put a link to the SSD Trail King in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video of this SSD Trail King unboxing. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hit that notification bell to be notified of the upcoming SSD Trail King build series. Can't wait to get started.